Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to block a contacts on Signal. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap in Open Signal application. To let you know, you can block a contacts on Signal in different ways. You can either search for a contacts that you want to block, or you also can go to the contact list and choose or select the contact that you want to block from there. For this video, I am going directly from the conversation, so I am going to tap on the contacts that I want to block. Tap on the profile name on top left corner. Scroll to the little down. As you can see, the option of block at very last. Tap on it. Are you sure you want to block this contact? If you block this contact, then you won't be able to call or send any messages from this contact. So tap and block. As you can see, the contacts has been blocked. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can block a contacts on Signal application. Thank you.